All right, last 24. Last time you saw, I was on ship. Right, we did a dive insert, which was really reconnaissance. So beachhead reconnaissance, gathered information that we can from the water for the maritime forces and the Navy. We made it back to ship and eventually got back to land last night. And then while we were doing the dive operations.
Yep, I was over on the DZ helping, making sure that we had the comms. We had Jose, one of our favorite dudes out here from the Pinehurst location, just making sure we had the sector antenna set up, having that comm so we can have a live stream of the jump. They were doing an MFF insertion, simulated HAHO jump, and yeah, just capturing that.
Yep. So that was pretty much insert phase for two of our respective teams, along with reconnaissance along the way. After the HAHO jump insert, they linked up with the urban reconnaissance team, or the recce team that we had been working with days prior. And since then, this morning, we pretty much got a frago for some intel that was gathered about a key location that had personnel at it, had equipment and laboratory at it. Homemade explosive lab as well as drug lab. Today each teams did helo inserts to go and secure those compounds. wrapped up some bad guys, bagged and tagged them, put them back on the birds. Nick's team got some information off of them, and they were fragoed for another op.
Yeah, a little bit of a TST, time-sensitive target. Got right back in the helo, head out to that location, did a vehicle interdiction from a helo. They sent out the dog, did a bunch of cool stuff, had the network running, had that constant communication. They were able to see that back in the talk. A lot going on.
Yeah, even while we were back there, I was pulling video from Nick and his team on my RDC with the team that I was at, so we were able to see their location even when they were in a helo on a bird, miles and miles and miles away from us. So that was super cool. We also had stuff on ship side over on the water still taking place.
Come here. Puppy. Hey, ven aquí. Let's go.
We got a baby radio here. The battery died, so it's like changing a diaper. Gotta come in here. Nothing special. Hit it with one of these, a little press, twist. Keep the freshie in the pocket. Check the O-ring, make sure that's there. Free and clear of debris, no dust, no dirt. Line it up, twist, click. Good to go. Strap her in. Line these up, a little Velcro to Velcro contact. Boom. Click.
We're about to be going with some forward observers to go spot for mortars, right? Make corrections There's gun trucks on 2 hilltops away, and we're going to be with the forward observer team. We've got drones that we're throwing in with this so that we can spot and make corrections. All right, hey, so what we got going on right now, we have a single MPU-5. It's got a PT-5 on it that's pulling cellular so we can have cloud relay, which is the beyond line of sight anywhere in the world, right? And there's a cable right here. This is a BNC cable going into the top of the MPU-5. That BNC cable is going down to a 3G SDI converter. It's going into the FPV goggles right now that are spotting. So he's got his radio right here, which is working off an analog. It's he's got an ELRS receiver, ELRS drone. That's the communication protocol, and it's going into here. You can see he's operating it. If you look up here. What do you think?